So, welcome to week 14. I can almost taste the pumpkin pie and the turkey and the macaroni and cheese. We are getting close to Thanksgiving. All right, what are we doing this week? So, we are finishing the first draft of paper 3. Yeah, so that paper we've been working on for the last few weeks. First draft is due by the 16th of November. And to help you, again, with some important stuff you need to do, there are 2 videos, citing sources and examples of doing texts inside the actual paper. Remember, you are required for paper 3 to use at least 4 outside sources to back up the claims of what the theme or themes are for A Raisin in the Sun. And you need to do that inside your actual paper. If you do not cite sources properly, that can be plagiarism. And plagiarism is bad. That means you can get a 0. So please, you're going to watch this video on citing sources and then this video on in-text examples of how to cite sources. Okay, so make sure you get those done and make sure you've done these correctly before you submit the first draft of paper 3. Okay? In addition, there is a quiz on seeing if you understand the concepts of citing sources. You can take it twice. Highest score counts. So for the last few weeks, we've been working on paper 3. So again, you're going to submit your first draft. Make sure you've got your sources cited correctly, as noted here. Take a quiz, put the first draft in, so I can look at it and then give you some feedback, so the final version will be just where it should be. That's what we're looking for. So that's it for week 14. If you haven't started your paper by now, paper 3, I got a question for you. Why not? Okay, you've had a lot of time to work on this. Don't wait till the last minute. Okay, get this done. And you know, it's like, oh, it's just the first draft. It's not going to really matter. Yeah, it does. It impacts your grade, and I can't help you with your final draft, giving you suggestions if I don't have a first draft to look at. So please, oh please, oh please, do yourself a favor. Your future self will thank you. Get this first draft in. All right, so that's what's happening. Now, go on and get that paper done. All right, and properly with the citing sources. Yeah.